Bulavinaka everyone, my name is Sangeeta Mangubhai and I'm the Director of the Wildlife Conservation Society's program here in Fiji. I'm also a Pew Marine Fellow that is looking at how to mainstream gender and human rights based approaches into small-scale fisheries in Melanesia in the Pacific. This is a very important space and I've been doing some research to look at how institutions include gender and human rights into the fisheries management that they do, fisheries development projects as well. And I'm particularly interested in seeing how do you build the capacity of different groups, especially fisheries groups, to incorporate these important social elements into their work. This week I'm really excited because I've actually brought my whole team out here so that we can do some training with them on how to do gender and social inclusion, and so how they can include that into all aspects of their conservation work. So it should be an exciting week, and I'm really looking forward to just being able to share with my team some of the things I've learned, but also to learn from them, to think about how do we apply these approaches in our own unique context here in Fiji. Thank you.